When your DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner won't turn on, systematic troubleshooting can often resolve the issue. We'll start with the most common power-related problems. First, check the power supply. Ensure your unit is properly plugged into a functioning power outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's working. Some DeLonghi models have an LCD plug with built-in reset and test buttons. This is a safety feature that detects electrical issues. Make sure the unit is plugged in, then press the reset button on the plug itself. If the power supply isn't the issue, try resetting the unit. The reset button location varies by model. Check behind the control panel, under the water tank, or near the power cord. Some models don't have a physical reset button. Instead, they use button combinations on the control panel. Common combinations include mode plus up arrow or power plus mode buttons pressed simultaneously. If there's no reset button or the button combinations don't work, perform a hard reset. Turn off the unit, unplug it from the wall, wait at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Important safety reminder: always unplug the unit before accessing any internal components or attempting to locate reset buttons. This protects both you and the equipment from electrical hazards. When your DeLonghi Pinguino displays flashing HL or H8 error codes, this indicates the internal water tank is full and needs immediate drainage. To drain the water tank, first unplug the unit completely from power. Then disconnect the exhaust vent hose and locate the drain plug at the bottom of the unit. A dirty air filter is another common cause of malfunction. The filter restricts airflow when clogged, causing the unit to work inefficiently or shut down. Regular cleaning or replacement is essential. Short cycling is one of the most common problems with DeLonghi portable units. This occurs when the air conditioner turns on and off more frequently than normal, preventing proper cooling and wasting energy. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to contact a qualified appliance repair technician. Professional help is needed for unusual noises, persistent error codes, water leakage, burning smells, or refrigerant-related problems. Remember, attempting complex repairs yourself can be dangerous and may void your warranty. Professional technicians have the proper tools and expertise to safely diagnose and repair refrigerant systems and electrical components.